Hi, I am Karthik Rannan. I am the president of the Wall Street Club of BITS Pilani Hyderabad campus. Yes, so the collaboration with XLR was an excellent one. We conducted a Power BI workshop with Advanced Excel over a span of 3 days. The workshop was almost 12 hours long in total. Mr. Karthik, who was an amazing trainer, helped the students understand the concepts deeply. I am sure that the students will be able to apply these concepts in their careers as well as their daily lives while they try to navigate the world of finance. I am happy that we will be able to close this workshop successfully on a very good note.
Hi, I am Raghunendra Singh and I am the Technical Director of the Wall Street Club at BITS Pilani Hyderabad campus. It was a great amazing conducting this workshop with XLR. The trainer, Mr. Karthik, was an excellent person where he explained in very detailed manner on how to give great insights using very complex data sets, which was very helpful for the people who are interested in the field of finance, business or analytics in general. Thank you.
I attended a workshop conducted by CSA and ACM in collaboration with XLR. So it was a machine learning workshop. We learned a lot from the course and it was a great experience attending the workshop.
The trainer was very helpful. He had a hands-on approach with his teaching and it was fabulous.
This was a great experience for me. So I would absolutely love it if XLR and its team would come again to our campus and conduct more events like this.
The journey was great. Initially, I thought that I was not proficient enough in Excel, but later I came to know there was no prerequisites for it, and then I applied for it, and it was a great course, and it started from basics and took me to a great extent.
Good evening, myself Kavya Ganatra. I am from Computer Science Association. I was the POC for this ML workshop conducted by CSI and ACM in collaboration with XLR. The experience of the workshop was really nice. The feedback from all the students was positive. They understood the concept. The workshop was also practical based with some questions. The experience with XLR was very smooth. They helped us in conducting the workshop smoothly right from the booking of the vendor and deciding the course till the distribution of certificates. In overall, this workshop was a success during our technical fest Atmos, and I thank XLR for being a part of it. Thank you.
Hello everyone, my name is Tasneem. I am the senior manager at 98 percentile in the HR department, and today we did a wonderful drive with XLR. It was amazing right from the very beginning, from the very first day when I got in touch with them till today. I think it was an extremely smooth journey with them. There were multiple follow-ups done by the representatives in order to check that we would be, what time would be coming, how many people would be coming, what vehicle we would get. To that extent, they were so precise in giving all the information to us. It was extremely great to get associated with them and have a drive at XLR campus. So we are very, very happy that we got a chance to do this. Now, coming to the students, what XLR had, I think they were extremely enthusiastic. They were well prepared. They were aware of what they are coming for. I think there was some back-end preparation which they did that was commendable. They also were very confident and they were open to any kind of thing we were asking them to do. That was I think the best part. Now, I really hope we have a very, very fruitful association with each one of them and XLR in future. We are really looking forward to have many more drives like this.
Hi everyone, my name is Prachi Sharma and I'm the Senior Project Manager for IT Department at 90th percentile. So today we were here for this IT bootcamp, right, this technical drive and at XLR. So it was a great experience and I would feel that the students, they are the freshers, right, but it doesn't seem like that. So if I talk about their technical and cognitive ability, they all seems pretty good in that and that's what I felt. And I guess they have been taught pretty well at XLR, so that's how they have performed good in their aptitude and the technical tests. So I wish them all the best and it was a very great experience over here.
Hi, this is Patan, Technology Consulting Manager from 98th percentile. We visited XLR for the campus placement drive and it went very well today. Miss Ambika, Miss Pragati, everyone received us greatly here and we had a lot of enjoyable time here. The students even had great experience with us. They were interactive, they had good aptitude and all the technological skills they showed. I think they were all well and we really appreciate their time that they spared to us and I think we'll
Good evening, everyone. Hope my voice is audible to you.
Yeah, Yellow.
Okay.
Good evening, everyone. I need response. So, still participants are joining. Please inform to your friends to join. So, within 3 to 4 minutes, we'll start the session. Okay.
Okay.
Yeah, any queries regarding LMS on classes? Can you please let me know in the chat box? Guys, I'm not getting any responses at all. So I need two-way communication, okay? No doubts. Okay. Okay, we'll start the session now. Okay. Okay.
Okay.
LMI, over to you. You can take the session. Yeah, thank
Okay,
you.
thank you.
Yeah.
In this session, we are going to discuss number series and letter series. Right. Already you would have seen this type of questions. For example, what will be the missing number, or what is the wrong number, that is odd man out. Right. We will be discussing those questions in detail here. Right. Just a minute. Okay. Right. Here you can have two different types of question. One is inserting the missing number. They may ask you to find the missing number in the sequence. The second one is wrong number in the sequence. For example, you will have questions like this: 2, 5, 9, 19, 37. What is the next number here? Can anyone answer this? Okay. First, I give you. Yes, one of you have answered it. Okay. Can you tell me the way? I get different answers. Okay. Can anyone tell me the logic? You can enable your mic, you can tell me the answer. If you know the answer. Even if your answer is not correct, no problem. We will know that. Right. Very good. One of you have answered this question correctly. Okay. Right. See, here we have 2. Here we have 5. So in case if you think it is an arithmetic order sequence, then here 3, 4, then 10. Right. So the differences are not in any of the AP or GP, right? So at this time, what will you do? Okay. Actually, 4 of you have answered. All the 4 answers are different. Right. Let's verify whose answer is correct. 5 different answers. These are prime numbers. No. 9 is not a prime number. Isn't it? Yes. Good. Okay. See, here the common differences are not in any of the AP or GP. Then how will you answer this question? What is the way of finding the next numbers in the sequence? Right. 2 into 2 plus 1. That is what here 5. Right. Then 5 into 2 minus 1. That is what 9. So that is the third number. Then 9 into 2 plus 1. That is 19. So what is happening here? The current number is multiplied by 2 and plus 1 minus 1 are added and subtracted in respective numbers. That is successive numbers. Isn't it? So 2 into 2 plus 1, 5 into 2 minus 1, 9 into 2 plus 1, 19 into 2 minus 1, that is 37. Now what will be the next number? Next number will be 37 into 2 plus 1. Isn't it? Yes. So 37 into 2 is 74. 74 plus 1 is 75. So the answer must be 75. Right. Good. Actually, only one have answered it correctly. Hope you understand this pattern. Do you have any doubts on this? Good. Okay. Now, next type of problems. Finding the wrong term in the sequence. The sequence will be formed by some logic, right? Exactly one of the number will deviate from the logic. You need to identify it. Find answer to this. Find answer to this. 80, 42, 24, 13.5, 8.75, right? Then 6.375. Here, which term in the sequence is wrong? Find answer. Six point 375. Okay. 24. Okay. Now, what is the correct answer here? How some of you are finding answers? Okay. Can anyone tell me why your answer is correct? Why did you choose your answer? Can you tell me the logic? Number by, okay, good. See, this number by 2 plus 2, that was your logic, right? So 80 by 2 is 40, plus 2 is 42. Then 42 by 2, right? Then plus 2. If it is, then you would have got 23, right? In case if it is 23, again you need to check your answer, right? 23 by 2 is 11.5 plus 2 will be 13.5. Very good. Then 13.5 divided by 2 is 6.25. Sorry. 6.75 plus 2 will be 8.75. 8.75 by 2 will be 4.375. Then plus 2 will be 6.375. Very good. So here the only deviation is at 24. Right. So 24 is the wrong number in the sequence. Very good. Good. Okay. Now, there will be some questions based on arithmetic series, but not on the first tile itself. Right. I hope you do not have any doubts in there. Okay. Right. For example, if you look at this series, 336, 210, 120, 60, 24, 6, then 0. Right. So if you look at this sequence, you may not be identifying this. Here, if you think it is a arithmetic operator, or if it is arithmetic one, then it is plus 6 here. From this to this, it is plus 18. From this to this, it is 36. Right. Here, this to this, it will be 60. Right. And so on. Right. So here, if you take further deduction, further difference of successive numbers here, 6 and 18, 12, 18 and 36, 18, then 36 and 60, 24, then 60 and 90, 30, and 90 and 126, now 36. Now, this number is in AP, isn't it? Yes. So this sequence is in AP. Now, based on this, you can find the next numbers here, then further next numbers here, right? Hope you understand how do I find this? Listen, difference of the values need not to be in any of the arithmetic progression in the first time itself. It may take 2 tier or even 3 tiers, right? After that, it may give you some sequence based on which you can identify the pattern. Hope you understand this pattern. Good. Shall I explain again? Good. Okay, see here. Here the sequence is given like this. 336, 210, 120, 60, 24, 6, 0. Sometimes they may ask you, what is the next number in the sequence? Right. So what is the next number in the sequence? That is what they may you need to find here. Right. Now, first when you take difference of adjacent values, then the differences are in this region. Right. So 6 and 0 difference is 6. 6 and 24 is 18. Then 36. Then 60. Then 90. Then 126. Now at this point, this sequence also I do not get any of the sequence here, isn't it? Yes. Now I will take again difference of this value, right? So difference of this sequence, right? At the time I will get this sequence. When you look at this, 12, 18, 24, 30, 36. So now you can see the arithmetic progression, right? Yes. Now it's an arithmetic progression, right? Now you can have the same differences here. So if it is 12 here, then next term would be 6 here, isn't it? So at this point, you will have 6, right? Then this time here, if it is 6, this 0 will be here. If it is 6, right, then difference will be -6 at this point. That's it. Hope you understand this. So this is how sometimes you may need to take 2 or 3 tier arithmetic operations to find the pattern, right? Now, I have given you some questions. You try to find the answer. Then we discuss the answer. Right. Find answer to this. To solve number series problems, you must be very good in computations, right? If your computation is good, then you can answer the questions in some seconds. Now, I give you 20 seconds, you try to solve this question. Four 10. Okay. Good. Okay, two of you have found the correct answer. Yeah. Good. Many of you have found the correct answer. Very good. Right. See, what is the logic? Can you tell me the logic? Yes. So gap into 2, that's it. No. 13th table. No. 98 minus 2202 is 104. Okay. Adding. Good. One of you have found the correct answer. Right. Actually, here, for a single sequence, you may have different ideas. Right. All the ideas may work for the single sequence. Right. For example, multiplying with 2, then adding 6 to it. Very good. Very good. See, here 7 is there, right? 7 into 2 plus 6. So 7 2s are 14 plus 6 will be 20, right? Then this 20 into 2 plus 6. So 20 into 2 is 40 plus 6 is 46, right? So that is there in the third number. So 46 into 2 will be 92 plus 2 is 98, that is in the fourth number, right? Then 98 into 2 is 196 plus 6 is 202. Yes. So this logic works for all the numbers in the sequence, isn't it? Now we need to find the number which is 202 into 2 plus 6. That's it. So 202 plus into 2 will be 404 plus 6 will be 410. That's it. Very good. Many of you have found the correct answer. Good. Hope you understand this. Okay. Someone have found the correct answer. Another logic, right? See, the differences are in multiples of 13. You can see here. You can see here. Difference is 13. Here the difference is 26. Here the difference is 52. Right. Here the difference is 52. Here the difference is 104 and so on. Right. Now, if you look at this, 13 into 1, then 13 into 2, 13 into 4, right? So that is following here, right? 13 into 16. So 13 into 8 is what? That is 104. It's correct. Right. So the next number must be 13 into 16. So the answer must be, see, I write the pattern here. 13 into 1, 13 into 2, 13 into 4, 13 into 8, 13 into 16. Right. So you should have understood the pattern that is increasing 2 power n values starting with 0 into 13 multiples. That's it. Right. So starting with 1, here n can be 0. Right. Then 1, 2, and so on. Right. That's it. Hope you understand this. See, for a single question, we have identified 2 different logics here. Isn't it? Here both the logics will work. So you can choose any one of them, no problem. Right? If you have any doubts, I can explain this again. Okay, I'll show you the next question. Now answer this question. What should come in place of the question mark in the following number series? Find answer to this. Good. One of you have found the answer. How did you find the answer? Very good. Good. Do anyone else find the answer to this? Okay, the logic is 1. This is nothing but 1 by 2. 0.33 is nothing but 1 by 3. 0.25 is nothing but 1 by 4. So the next number must be 1 by 5. That is nothing but 0.20. So 0.20 option D is the correct answer. Very good. Very good. 2 of you have found the correct answer. Hope you understand. Good. Then find answer to this. What will come in place of question mark in the following number series? Okay, the number series is 11, 23, 47, 95. Good. So this is similar pattern, right? Yes. Very good, very good. Very good. Many of you have found the correct answer. Good. So here, yes, yes. Very good. Good. Okay. Very good. All of you have found the correct answer here. It is very simple sequence. Here 11, 22. That is into 2 plus 1 is the sequence. So 11 into 2 is 22 plus 1 is 23. 23 into 2 is 46 plus 1 is 47. 47 into 2 is 94 plus 1 is 95. So we need to find 95 into 2 plus 1. That is 191. Very good. Great. Very good. Everyone have found the correct answer. Good. Now I give you another question. Try to answer this. What will come in the place of question mark in the following number series? 17, 52, 158, 477, 4310. In between, we have question mark. What will be the answer? Good. Very good. Very good. Yes, very good. No, one of you have found the wrong answer. No problem. Right. Very good. Yes, very good. Okay, good. See, here 17 into 3, that is 51, we know that. With that, 1 is added, so we got 52. Right. With this 52 into 3, then we would have got 156 plus 2 will be 158. Right. So the same way, 158 into 3. Right. Now what will happen? 450 plus 24, 474 plus 3, that is 477. Right. Now we would have understood that the 3 times of correct number plus 1 plus 2 plus 3 are successfully added. Right. Very good. Very good. Many of you have found the correct answer. Great. Right. So with this pattern, I could have identified the next number here, 474 into 3 plus 5. That will be the answer. So 400 into 3 will be 1200. 700 into 3 will be 210. So 1200 plus 210. That will be 1410. Then 4 times of 3, that is 12. Right. Then plus 5. That will be the answer. Hope you understand this. Yes. So the answer will be 1435. That's your answer. Hope you understand this. Already we have, oh, sorry. We have added only 3, right? Yes, it must be 4, correct. Good. I hope you would have understood this. Okay, it must be 77, correct. Great. Good. I'll give you another question. 1, 5, 12, then dash, followed by 35, 51, 70. Good. What is the answer to this? Post your logic. Good. Post your logic. Very good. Good. So, very good. Differences of 3. Okay. See, the differences of 1 and 5 is 4. 5 and 12 is 7. Right. Then, if you come here, 35 and 51. The difference is what? It is 16. Right. Then 51 and 70. The difference is 19. Right. So 4, 7, 16, 19, which means that the difference has 3, isn't it? So the difference of successive numbers has 3. So 4, 7. Next difference must be it must be 10, right? Then if it is 10, then the next difference will be 13, isn't it? Yes. So if it is 10 here, then 12 plus 10, the answer must be 22. That's it. Very good. Very good. Maximum of you have found the correct answer. Now, next question. 2, 5, 9, 19, 37. Find the answer to this. Good. Good. So maximum of you have found the correct answer. Right. See, how did you find? Can anyone tell me the logic here? Good. So here the sequence is multiplied by 2 and or in alternate terms plus 1 and minus 1 is added. So if you have 2 here, then 2 into 2 plus 1 is 5. Then 5 into 2 minus 1 is 9. 9 into 2 plus 1 is 19. 19 into 2 minus 1 is, sorry, plus 1 is 19. 19 into 2 is 38, minus 1 is 37. So we need to find the next number. So 37 into 2 plus 1, that will be the answer. So 74 plus 1 will be 75. Very good. Yes, very good. Many of you have found the correct answer. Answer to this. Okay. Post your answer logic too. Post your logic. Okay. Very good. Good. Right. Shall I explain this? Very good. See, 4, 8, 28. So if you look at this, you can see the common multiples as into 2 from the first number, into 7 from the first number, into 20 from the first number, into 61 from the first number. Now you cannot have any common pattern here, isn't it? So it is very simple. 4 times of 3 minus 4. 4 times of 3 is 12 minus 4 is 8, isn't it? Then 8 times of 3 plus 4. So 24 plus 4 is 28. That is what the next term. So you have identified it as into 3 plus minus 4 into 3 plus 4. That is what the pattern, right? So now 28 into 3 minus 4. So 28 into 3 will be 84. 84 minus 4 will be 80. That is what they have given. Now 80 into 3 plus 4. 240 plus 4 is 244. So what will be the next term here? 244 into 3 minus 4. That will be the answer. Right. So 244 into 3. Right. So what will you get? $738. Isn't it? Sorry, 732. Yes. So 732 minus 4 is 728. So the answer is 728. That's your answer. Hope you understand the pattern here. Very good. Okay, I'll give you another question. Try to answer this. Four, 5, 12, 39, 160. Very good. Can you post me your logic? Very good. Very good. Very good. Good. Many of you have found the correct answer. I think all of you have found the correct answer. Great. Yes, very good, very good. Right. So here the pattern is 4 into here the pattern is 4 into 1 plus 1, that is 5. Next 5 into 2 plus 2, that is 12. 12 into 3 plus 3, that is 39. Then 39 into 4 plus 4, that will be 160. Next term will be 160 into 5 plus 5, So this is the 800 plus 5 will be 805. So the answer will be 805. Hope you understand this. Good. Many of you have found the correct answer. Now answer this. Answer this. I think I have made a mistake in this sequence. Wait. Okay, first you identify the pattern. Shall I change the sequence? Just a minute. Actually, it is not 896. You can say consider it as 890. While copying, I made a mistake here. This term, instead of this term, 10890. Now you can solve this question. Yes. Good. One of you have found the correct answer. Good. What is the answer here? Good. Good. See, here you would have identified the pattern right now, isn't it? It's very simple. Here we have 10,000. Here we have 11,000. Next 9900. Next 10890. So if you keep on tracing this, then 10% of this 10,000 is nothing but 11,000. Isn't it? Very good. So 10,000, 10% is added, that becomes 11,000. So 10% of 10,000 is 1,000. That is what added with this 10,000. Right. Now you would have got 11,000. That's it. Now 11,000, right, in which the 10 percentage of value is 1100, isn't it? So 1100 will be subtracted from this 11,000, right? At the time the next term becomes 9900, right? Now 9900 from this 10% is subtracted, so you will have got 990 minus from this, right? So what would be your answer here? 0 minus 0 is 0. Then this will be 1. Yes, then it will be 8. This will be 9. So 8, 9, 1. Sorry. So that will be added here, right? Yes. So while adding, right, 9,900 plus 990. So 1,890. That will be the next number here, right? Yes. Now 10% of this 10890 will be subtracted from this number. So at the time you would have subtracted 1089 from this number, then you would have got 9801 as the answer, right? Now what will happen? 9801 plus 10% of this number, that is approximately 980, right? 980.1 or 980, you can take anything. So here 18710. So the answer here is option C. Hope you understand this concept. Any doubts so far? Good. Here I would explain you the answer. No. Shall I explain this again? Okay, I repeat once again. Listen, all of you. Now they have given first number as 10,000, right? So the first number is 10,000. Next number is 11,000, right? So here 10% of this 10,000 is added with the 10,000. So that you got 11,000 as the answer. Hope you understand this. This trick. Then from 11,000, if you subtract 10% of 11,000, then you would have got 9,900 as the answer. Right. Then 10% of this 9900 is added with 9900, you would have got 10890 as the answer. Then 10% of this value must be subtracted to get some next value, that is 9801. Right. So the missing term must be 9801 plus 10% of this number. So 980 plus 980. What is the answer? That will be 10781. That's your answer. Hope you understand this. Okay. I'll just write the voice. Just a minute. Okay, next question. Find answer to this. 3, 4, 8, 17, 33. What is the answer? Three, 4, 8, 17, 33. Good. Can you post your logic? Good. Very good. No, one of you have made a mistake. Okay, I explain here. See, here, if you look at the differences, right, the differences are if you look 1 here, 4 here, it's 9 here, this will be 16 here. So if you look at this, 1 square, 2 square, 3 square, 4 square. So the next difference must be 5 square, isn't it? So it will be 25. So 25, if you add with this 33, you would have got 58. So 58 as the answer is the correct answer. Very good. Many of you have identified the correct answer. Good. Now, next question. It is very simple question. You can easily identify the answer by seeing itself. I think I have made a mistake here. Yes, good. Okay, actually you found the correct answer. I made a mistake here. Yes, one of you have identified it. Good. So instead of this 49, I should have got 64. Good. Now answer this question. Very good. Yes, very good. See, this can be square or cube, whatever it is, right? Then it is 2 square. So now 1, 2 square, 3 cube, 4 square, 5 cube, 6 square, 7 cube, 8 square. The next number must be 9 cube, isn't it? So 9 cube must be 729. That's your answer. Hope you understand this. Good. All of you have found the correct answer. Great. Yeah, answer this. Good. Very good. Very good. All of you have found the correct answer. Yes. It is very easy. Now, the product of these two terms. The product of these two terms are in the middle. Right. So the same way, 5 and 7. 5 sevens are 35. 7 and 9. 7 nines are 63. So now 9 and 11. So it must be 99 in this place, isn't it? Great. Very good. Right. Yes. See, actually, many of you have found the correct answer. One or two only making mistakes. That too, you would have identified the logic. In computations, you will make mistakes. Right. One of you have identified 89 as the answer, then corrected it as 99. Right. That is because of concentration. So, have concentration while computation. Yes. Next question. Great. Find answer to this. Six 42 question mark 1260 5040 15120 then 30240. Okay, post your logic too. Okay, post your logic. Very good. Very good. Great. Okay, I explain this. Right. See, we have 6 here. 6 into 7, that is equal to 42. Right. 42 into some number that would have been in the question mark. Right. Then 1260 into some number, that right, that becomes 5040. What number would be? It is 5 times, sorry, 4 times. Yes or no? 1260 into 4 is 5040. Then 5040 into 3, that would be 15120. 152,120 into 2, that would be 30240. So here into 2, into 3, into 4, then what it must be? It must be into 5. Right. Here you should have got some number into 5 here. Right. That question mark, sorry, that question mark into 5 would be this 1260. Right. So if you solve this one, you can identify which one is the question mark, value for question mark. Right. So 1260 by 5, what is the answer? So it is 1 time. Right. So it is 252. So 252 is the answer. Hope you understand the pattern. Good. Great. Very good. Now I give you another question. Your find answer to this. Okay, what is the logic? Very good. What is the logic? Okay, many of you have found different answers. Right. Okay, one of you explain why. Okay, here the difference is 4. Here the difference is 16. Here the difference is, I don't know. Here the difference is 100. Right. So what must be the difference here? Can you post your logic? Difference is good. One of you have found the correct logic here. Yes. So here this 4 is nothing but 2 square. This 16 is nothing but 4 square. This 100 is nothing but 10 square. So here if we take this as 6 square and 8 square respectively, then this will be the correct sequence, isn't it? So with this pattern, you could have identified what is the next number. So what is the next number? 4, 2 square plus 4 square plus 6 square. Right. So 36 will be added with this one, 302. Then answer will be 338. Right. So 302 plus 6 square, that is 338. Then 338 plus 8 square, 64. Then that will be 402. Yes, that is 402. Hope you understand this. Then 402 plus 10 square, that is 502. That's it. Very good. Very good. All of you have answered it very correctly. Is there any doubt so far? Okay, difference into 4, difference into 9. Right. Four into 1 square, 4 into 2 square, then 4 into 3 square. Right. 4 into 3 square, 9 4s are 36. Yeah, that is also a pattern here. Yes. Right. So here, if you take 2 square as common, then you have that sequence. If you take 2 square as common, here this 1 square, this will be 2 square, next one will be 3 square, next one will be 4 square, next one will be 5 square, and so on. Right. Yeah, that way also you could have thought. Yes, no problem. Good. Now, can you answer this? What are okay? Post your logic. Post your answer. I give you 30 seconds. Right. You try to answer the question in just 30 seconds. Okay. Good. Very good. Ankit, Aman have found the correct answer. Very good. Divided by 2 plus 1. Okay, 6 divided by 2 plus 1 is 4. 4 divided by 2 plus 1 is, that will be 3, right? That's not working here. Yeah, actually, this question is somewhat tricky question, right? If you take it as common numbers, that difference will not be any of the other, right? If you try to understand the pattern, somewhere it will be increasing and somewhere it will be decreasing, right? So at the time, what will you do now? See, 6 into 0.5 plus 1. So 3 plus 1 will be 4. Am I correct or not? Then 4 into 1.5 plus 2. Right. So 4 into 1.5 is 6. 6 plus 2 is 8. Then 8 into 2 plus 3. Right. So 1.5, oh, sorry, it is 2.5. Right. So 8 into 2.5. 2 times of 8 is 16 plus 4.5 times of 8 is 4. 16 plus 4 is 20 plus 3 is 23. Right. Then 23 into 3.5 plus 4. That will be the next number. Right. So 23 into 3 will be 69. And 0.5 times of 23 will be 11. Right. So 69 plus 11.5, sorry, I guess 11.5 plus 4. That will be the answer. So the answer must be 69 plus 11.5 plus 4. So 73 into 3, 84.5. So the answer must be 84.5. So option A is the correct answer. Hope you understand this. Very good. Many of you have found the correct answer. Good. Anyone have doubts in this? Shall I repeat? Okay. I'll repeat once again. Listen, all of you. Here, if you take difference of the sequence, that will not form any AP or GP, right? If you take alternate sequence, sometimes they may give you the alternate sequence also, right? This is not an alternate sequence too, right? Then what it is, you can do this way. See, 6 into 0.5 plus 1. That is the next number. Then 6 into 1.5 plus 2. Then 6, that is 8 here. 8 into 2.5 plus 3. Right. So here you could have understood that here it is increasing by 1 plus 0.5. Right. Every time. Right. So it is of the form, general form, n plus 0.5. Right. If it is if it is calculated from the first term, then it will be 0.5. Then second term it will be 1.5. Then third term it will be 2.5. In fourth term it will be 3.5. Right. And the additions plus 1, plus 2, plus 3, plus 4. So these are the patterns here. You will get 23 into 3.5 plus 4. That's the correct answer. So if you calculate, I get answer. Hope you understand this. Yes. I hope you would have understood. Right. So here, yeah. Okay. Another important thing, sequence is letter series. Right. How many of you know the alphabets and the corresponding positions? A is the first letter. B is the second letter of alphabet. Right. Yes. So, good. In case if you are good at this, then you can solve problems on letter series, coding, decoding, analogy. In all this, you will be master if you are good at the position of letters from forward and reverse directions. Right. For example, A is the first letter in forward direction. If it is reversed, that will be 26th one. Isn't it? Yes. Very good. Many of you have understood. Know this. Great. Okay. Now we will have questions like this. Which term comes next in the sequence? Find the answer to this. Which term comes next in the sequence? Actually, many of you have posted already answered. Yes. Can you tell me the logic? Good. Very good. Okay. Listen. How will you do this? Good. See, AC is here, right? We are left here, B is left, then C is there. Then D is left, F is there, right? F, G, H. So G is left, H is here. So next two terms, I, J will be left, right? K will be there, L will not be there, M will be there, right? Then N, O will not be there, P will be there, Q will not be there, R will be there. Yes. Next will be ST, that will be left. Then UW, that will be the pattern. So V will be left here, right? So UW is the pattern. So the answer is first option. Very good. Many of you have identified the correct pattern here. Good. Right. So, in case if you do not remember this, before starting the session, you could have noted like this. All the alphabets in forward positions and the reversed positions I have written here. Right. And remember, these are the opposite letters. Right. A and Z are opposite letters. B, Y are the opposite letters. P, K are the opposite letters. Yellow is the opposite letters. B is the opposite letters. Already you would have known this, right? Yes. See, shirt. If you remember the word love, then elbow are the opposite letters. V is the opposite letter. You can see here. Elbow, V. Right. So I have remembered one thing. If you remember the word shirt, right, then I can take first two and last two. Right. So SH are opposite letters, then IR are the opposite letters. A, Z and BY are easy to remember, you can easily remember. Right. MN, that is easy to remember. Right. Then BY is easy. CX is also easy. Right. So if you, GT road, if you remember the word, you can remember this. Right. So if you remember in this way, you can easily remember this. Yeah. Right. So You can easily remember by this method. So in case if you are not good at these values, before starting the test, you can note down in a rough sheet. Right. Yes. Now answer this question. R, U, X, A, D. What is the next one? All of you have posted correct answer. None of you had a mistake. Okay. That is option D. Good. Great. See, if you look at this, 3 is the difference here, isn't it? So 3 is the difference here. Then 3 is the difference here. 3 is the difference here. 3 is the difference here. So STU, third letter, right? VWX, third letter. YZA, third letter. BCD, third letter. Then next will be EFG. So at the time, G is the correct answer. Right. G is the correct answer. You would have gone to option B. That's it. Great. Hope you understand this. Good. Now I find the answer to this. Very good. Yes. Many of you have found the correct answer. Great. See, H, I, J, K, L, M, N. So here, plus 1 is plus 1, it is plus 2, it is plus 3, then it will be plus 4, isn't it? So what will be the plus 4? O, P, Q, R. So R is the answer, isn't it? So option C is the answer here. Great. Everyone have found the correct answer. Good. Now answer this. AI, B, J, C, K. Then what is it? Very good. Very good. Very good. Great. So it is easy, right? A, B, C. So the next one will be D, right? I, J, K. Next one will be L. So DL is the correct answer. Great. Everyone have identified it. Now answer this. D, F, G, J, K, M, N, Q, R, T. Now what is the answer to this? Very good. What is the logic? Actually, it is easy, right? So D, E, F, G. so it is plus 3. Then Hij, it is plus 4, right? L, M, N, it's plus 3. Then O, P, Q, R, it is plus 4. So plus 3 plus 4 is the pattern, right? So what will be the next one? S, T, U, right? So U must be the first letter. So starting with U, you have only 2 options, isn't it? Yes. So you could have eliminated the remaining rest of the options here. Right. So either A or D must be the answer. But if I look at the second one, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T. So it is plus 4 plus 3 plus 4 plus 3 is the pattern. Right. So you could have got UX as the answer. Good. Great. Everyone have found the correct answer. Nice. Then solve this question. UPI question. What is the answer? Find the answer in 30 seconds. Good. What is the logic here? Merge letters. Okay. Is it on the form? No. Post your logic. Good. No. Good. Actually, sometimes if you go by conventional method, it may take time, right? In case if you go by options, then you can find the answers very fast, right? See here, well-known sequences starting from A, isn't it? That middle value. So A, B, the difference is 1, B, D, the difference is 2, D something, the difference must be something, then that's something to this P, right? So here, if you analyze 1, 2, either it can be 3, 4, isn't it? Or else the another option is 1, 2, 4, 8. This is another possibilities. Right. If it is, then the sequence will follow the pattern, isn't it? So with this pattern, 1 plus 2 plus 4, 7. So we are starting with A, which means that 8th letter. So 8th letter is H. Right. So the middle letter must be H. Isn't it? Yes. So the middle letter must be H. At the time, what can you eliminate here? You could have eliminated option E and C. Right. Yes. Then, if you look at the other things, I, J, K, L, M. So it will be plus 4. Right. Then N, O, it is plus 2. So it must be plus 1. Isn't it? Yes. So, O, M, N, O is plus 2 here. I, so J, K, L, M, it is plus 4 here. So plus 2 plus 4, it must be plus 1 here. Right. Okay. I repeat once again. See, middle letter, if you take middle letters alone, right, P dash D B A, right. Now, the difference here is 1, here the difference is 2, right. Here the difference is something, here the difference is something, right. What difference will make this P? So what is the position of P? That is 16. So am I correct or not? M is 13, N is 14, O, P. Yes. So that is 16. So it must be 2 square here, 2 cube here, it is 2 power 4. Right. If you follow this pattern, right, you could have identified the middle term as H. Say yes or no? Yes, right. So now you have identified middle term. So this option C and E, you could have eliminated by seeing it, isn't it? Yes. Now you can search for something or some other thing, right? So if you understand, if you search for J, J, K, right, then you could have eliminated one of the option. If you search for the first letter, you could have eliminated 2 options. So you can find the exact correct answer here. Hope you understand this. Now you are going to identify the first term, first letter in the sequence. So what are the first letters here? U, something, O, something, then M, then I. Right. So now what is the difference here? I to M. Right. So J, K, L, M. So it is plus 4 from this direction. Right. So N, O, which means that plus 2 from this direction. Right. So what will be the next term? It may be plus 1. Isn't it? So one of the possibility is plus 1. Right. So O plus 1, that will be P. but none of the options are starting with a P, isn't it? Yes. So what is another possibility? The same +4 +2 pattern may repeat, isn't it? So if you check with that, you can have +4 +2, right? So O, P, Q, or yes, right? P, Q, or yes. So fourth letter is yes, right? So here you have only one option as yes, isn't it? So again +2. TU, yeah, +2 is coming as TU, right? So this option is correct for this question. Yes, such J is the correct answer. Hope you understand how do I solve this? Any doubts so far? Good. Now solve this question. B is 38, DYC, FXE dash JBI. Third letter sequence once explained, sir. Right. Okay. Okay. Here the third letters are I dash P Q W. Right. Okay. So here PQ is +1 or SPUBW it is +6. Right. Here it may be something, here it may be something. Right. Listen, actually, this type of question is given for checking eliminate the options or not. You can find the answer, right? You can evaluate the answer by doing this, right? Elimination method, right? So here either you can find the pattern or we may not be finding the pattern, but with these two letters, you could have identified the answer, right? Yes. So you can go with this option, right? Okay. So if it is J here, then what will happen? IJ, PQ, WP. So IJ, P, okay, P and then is +6, PQ, then RSTUVW. Right. So here, two successive letters are there, right? Two IJ, PQ, right? Then W, right? So here, these two letters are successive letters, +6 is this one. These two letters are successive letters, +6 is this one. Right, you can identify this. Yeah, you would have identified the answer, correct. Right. So here, actually, you can go with the correct answers also, right? Instead of finding the exact one correct answer, you could have eliminated all the remaining options. So the leftover is the correct answer, isn't it? That is the beauty of this multiple choice question. You need not to find the exact correct answer sometimes. Right. Very good. Actually, many of you have answered this question. Good. Post your logic here. B, C, D, E, F, then G, H. So starting with H, right? Listen, all of you. When you have none of this as one of the answer, then you need to find all the letters. Here you should not go with the elimination option, right? Then Z, Y, X, W. So H, W, right? Will you stop with this? No. You need to find the last one also because none of this is not the answer. Right. Then A, B, C, D, E, F, G. Right. So, yes, H, W, G is the answer. Option B is the correct answer. Very good. Many of you have found the correct answer. Great. Any doubts? Two of you have raised your hand. Any doubts? Yeah, I hope no. Good. Is it LUP? Okay, good. For this question, you're answering good. Okay. Okay, answer this question. MNOP. So here it must be L. So starting with L, all the options are starting with L. You cannot eliminate anything, isn't it? Yes. So here, if we go for the next one, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U. So then L, U. So starting with the L, U, what are the options? You have only one option, that is option A, isn't it? Yes. See, in this question, none of this is not an answer here. Yes or no? If none of this is not an answer, then I can just eliminate remaining options by seeing this first two. So I will take the answer option A. That's your answer. Hope you understand this. Good. Many of you have answered it very correctly. Great. The next question. Answer to this. Very good. Good. Very good. Okay. Okay, good. See, A, C, D, then GHI, then question mark, then UVWXY. Right. What will come in the place of question mark? That is the question. Right. See, by seeing this, here we have one letter, here we have two letters, here we have three letters. So in this place, we will have four letters, isn't it? So you could have eliminated the options which are not having four letters. So by this, at this place, you could have eliminated option B as well as D. So these two can never be the answer, isn't it? Yes. So now what happened? A, B, C, D. So here one gap is missed. Right. Here F, G. Right. So after D, E, F, G. So here two letters are missing. Right. So one letter missing, two letter missing. So here there are possibilities of three letters missing. Right. So after I, J, K, L, they may miss. So they may be starting with the M, N, O, P. So the answer is option E. That's it. I hope you would have understood this. Any doubts? Very good. Now you can answer this. Find the answer to this. What is the answer? How? Correct. How? See, actually in this place, it's a sequence, set of values. Here I have missed something. Right. This space is given for nothing. It is just alphabets. Good. B plus 4, that is F, isn't it? C, D, E, F, isn't it? Then F plus 4, that is J. So G, H, I, J, isn't it? Then J plus 4, that is what? That is N, isn't it? Yes. So in this place, if it is N here, then only there are two possible options, either NX or NY. Right. So any one of these two can come here, isn't it? I hope you understand this. Yes. So if you check alternate terms, then L, P, T, the next will be X. Good. So option B is the correct answer. Hope you understand the pattern here. Actually, the space is for just I have taken the space. That's it. The space is nothing. Here, the some two letters are missing. That's it. That is what we are calculating here. Any doubts? I hope you do not have doubt in this. Good. Now you can answer this. So by seeing this, you could have eliminated two options. What are they? So if you go from this C, D, E, so it must be B here, isn't it? So either this or this can be the correct answer. These two options can be eliminated in this. Right. Yes. Very good. Very good. Good. So if you check for some other letters, you could have identified. So the difference here, DFH, HLM, right? So you can check any letter to find the next correct answer, possible correct answer, right? So F, G, I, J, right? So it must be here, D, E, isn't it? So at the time it must be B, D, F, H. That is the only possible answer here. So the answer is option E. Right. Look at this. I haven't checked last two from this, isn't it? I haven't checked last two from this because none of this is not an answer here. Right. When none of this is not an answer, I can go with the elimination method. So by seeing this option, I could have eliminated these two. Then by checking the remaining one, I could have eliminated this also. So this can be the correct answer. I will go with this answer. Hope you understand this. Great. Now what is the answer to this? B, D, G, I, L, N, Q, S. Very good. Good. So what is the answer here? Yes, many of you have posted the correct answer. Good. So B, C, D, then E, F, G. H left is H left, then I. Right. So J, K is left, then L, followed by one letter left, then N. Right. So same way, Q, R, S. Right. So Q, S is there. T, U, that will be left. Then V. Starting with V, we have only one option. So option E is the correct answer. Great. Now answer this. W, F, D, T, G, D, Q, H, G. Then what is the next one? So if you go in this order, Q, R, S, T. R, S, T, third letter. Right. Then U, V, W, third letter. So this Q must be third letter from N, isn't it? So O, P, Q, third letter, isn't it? So the starting with the N, we have two options. So you can eliminate the remaining three options. Sorry, three options. We have eliminated two options here. Right. Very good. So if you check with the I, you can eliminate one of the option. K, you can eliminate one of the option. Right. So if you check with one, F, G, H, I. So it must be I in the middle. Then B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J. So it must be N, I, J. So option A is the correct answer here. Isn't it? Is there any doubt so far? Clear. Right. Then there will be some constraints in which you will have numbers and letters together, right? Then you need to identify both numbers and letters together, right? Answer this question. Very good. No. No. You can post your logic. How do you bring your answer? Correct. Very good. See, if you look at the letters, right? B, C, E, H. So B, C, it is +1. C, E, it is +2. The E, H, it is +3. Right. So what will be the next one? It will be +4 from H. So I, J, K, L. So the letter must end with the L. So here it is not L. Here it is not L. This may be the possible answer. Then we check the remaining. This may be the possible answer. Right. Listen, by just finding letter, I would have eliminated two options. Right. Remaining two options are there. I have how to eliminate that. That can be eliminated by only letter numbers. Right. So how will you eliminate the numbers? Options 2, 4, 8. What next? See, present number +2, present number +4, present number +6. Right. Then you will get 14 here, isn't it? Yes. So present number +8, that will be 22. Right. So the answer must be 22L. So the answer is option D. I hope you would have understood this. Any doubts so far? Okay. Right. Actually, I've given you some other sequence which is not following any of the pattern, but logic will not work there. Any of the numerical logic will not work there. Right. I'll just show you the pattern. Right. The numbers, the pattern is 1, 11, 21. What are the next number in the sequence? 1, 11, 21, 1211. Then 1 lakh 11,221. What is the next number in the sequence? Right. How will you do this? Actually, this is one of the questions the company was. Right. This year, the same question has come. Answer this. You can take 30 seconds from now. Let's see who is answering. No. Okay, I share you the material. Video step. Then you will rejoin this. Yeah, very good. One of you have found the correct answer. Good. Can you tell me how? I just share you the PPT. Now. Okay, one of you explain, then we will have quiz session. Right. Okay, can you enter your mic and good? Two of you have answered it correctly. Yeah. One of you can enable your mic and tell me the answers. Okay, it might be not. Right. This is actually, this will not follow any of the trick. If you go by arithmetic operation or geometric progressions, multiples, then power sequence, right? Nothing will work here, right? Actually, I have shared your point. Just share it again to everyone. Everyone see this and you can download. Okay. See, actually, this question is somewhat tricky. Here we have 1 times of 1, right? the number of digits, that is what represented like this. So we have 1 times of 1. So it is 1 times of 1. Now we have 2 times of 1 in this. So I will write it as 2 times of 1. Right. Then I have 1 times of 1. So here 1 times of 2, 1 times of 1. In this number, I have 1 times of 1, 1 times of 2, then 2 times of 1. Hope you understand how do I do this? Yes. So then you can answer the next number in this. Now we have 3 times of 1 here. So 3 times of 1 here, yes, 3 times of 1. Then 2 times of 2 here, then 2 times of 2. Then 1 times of 1 is there, then 1 times of 1. So the answer must be 3, 1, double 2, double 1. That's it. Hope you understand this. Have you all downloaded the material, PPT? Okay. Any doubts? Have you downloaded? Am I audible? Okay. So we will wind up the session now. You will have quiz if you stay on the line. Right.
No, Elamite. Elamite. Today we don't have a quiz. Tomorrow I'm conducting that.
Okay. In case if you have downloaded, then we can wind up the session. No. Okay, start downloading. Explain again. Okay. See, actually the sequence is here. See, 1, which means that 1 times of 1 is there. I will write like this. Then in this number, 2 times of 1 is there. In this number, 1 times of 2 followed by 1 times of 1. Right. Here, 1 times of 1, 1 times of 2, 2 times of 1. Do you understand this pattern? One of you have answered right. Ask me right. Do you understand this? So here the number of digits followed by the number. That is the pattern here I am writing this number. Right. Yes, good. So here if you look at this, we have 3 times of 1, then followed by 2 times of 2, then followed by 1 times of 1. That's it. Hope you understand this. Good. Thank you.
Okay. Yeah. Thank you, Elumalai, for the session.
Thank you.
Guys,
Thank
I'm
you.
sharing the attendance link. So please mark your attendance. And tomorrow we have a quiz on coding and decoding and symbols and notations. Okay. On these two topics, we have a quiz. And meanwhile, you have any queries, please let me know. I will try to address it. Shall I leave? Yes, you can. From YouTube, any queries? Satvik, these 2 weeks we are going to what our Mr. Elumalai sir is going to teach. So after that, Sai Kiran will come. Okay. Okay, fine. I'm sharing the WhatsApp link. Whoever missed to join the WhatsApp channel, so please join now. Yes, I send WhatsApp link. Yeah, if you don't have any queries, you can leave the session. Okay, we'll meet on tomorrow. And I am sharing registration link as well. Ma'am, I have joined some classes, but I didn't fill the attendance. What can I have to do? How can you forget the attendance, Kalyani? It's a mandatory, no? So that time only we'll get to know, like you join the session, you are there in the session, no? Okay, don't forget to mark your attendance from today onwards. Pranita, just drop an email to edel@excelor.com. So that mail ID I'm mentioning in the chat box. Please take from here. But I have to pick screenshots to class, ma'am. No, Kalyani, you just mark your attendance. That's fine. Okay, fine. I hope there is no more questions. Ma'am, tomorrow on which topic we have exam, ma'am? So tomorrow I'm conducting on coding and decoding, symbols and notations. Okay. Last Friday, Thursday, we completed those two topics. So on that, I'm conducting the quiz. Okay, fine. So I hope there is no more questions. So we'll wind up the session for today and we'll meet on tomorrow. Up to then, take care. Bye bye. Good night. Go and have your food. Take care about you and your family also. Attendance, yes, I'm sharing.